I found the best AI personal assistant, and it's called PokeeClaw. Similar to OpenClaw, but fully online and runs 24/7 in the cloud with lower token usage, better security, and works across many websites and apps. In this video, I'm going to show you a bunch of use cases that you can use with it. Okay, so to get started, go to the top, type in Pokee, with 2 E's, .ai. Press enter. This is Pokee AI. It's an AI agent, one-click setup. It's an agent that delivers finished work across research, code, and automation, unlimited context and memory, running 24/7 in the cloud with enterprise-grade security. Some of the features are it's like sandbox security architecture, so it's trusted by partners at Google, Qualcomm, Samsung, Amazon, Microsoft. It's the agent platform you and your company can trust. They feature cross-app automation with 70% lower token consumption. You describe your goal, you refine your plan with Pokee, and you let the AI execute it across 1,000+ apps with lower token usage for more efficient execution. There's a bunch of different use cases, from writing a full investment memo, build a sales dashboard, run an e-commerce promotion platform, create 30 days of social content, even writing a product guide for your brand voice, and get started instantly without local infrastructure, complex setups, or Mac minis. So because it's all in the cloud running 24/7. Let's get started. Go to the top, hover over try now and sign in. Click on sign up if you don't have an account. Since I don't have an account, I'm going to log in. Okay, go to the bottom left, click on upgrade plan. You can choose the plan that you want. You can choose a light plan, pro plan, or ultra plan. I'm currently on the pro plan right now, but you can choose one that fits your needs. Once that's set up, go back here. You'll be presented on the main Pokee AI webpage. Click on PokeeClaw. It's going to set up your workspace. I'll show you 2 things that I created. First thing I created was I wanted a system that tracks listings online and surfaces the best opportunities automatically for AI. Find the latest AI news, and then it asks for more information. So I wanted to do all job listings related to AI and create me a dashboard report. And from the dashboard report, it updates it daily. And then from there, the agent used the sub-agents to pretty much create it. So it created an AI job opportunity tracker that searches the internet daily for the latest, best opportunities, scores them, and generates the clean HTML dashboard for us. And that's pretty much what it is. You can see all the stuff it did. It researched over time, then it generated. And you can see here, once it was done for the AI job opportunity tracker, it created HTML file for us that we can open. And so this is the latest AI job opportunities for today. And you can see here that it found everything on the internet. You can see here I opened it, and pretty much this is what it created. It scored them, location, and everything. You can see the schedule. Every day at 9 o'clock it runs. So every day it updates this. We just log in and we can check it. And there was multiple ways that you can do it really. And another use case was I changed the prompt and I said find the latest news about investing and generate a tracker based off the latest news affecting the economy. So I asked it pretty much just for the daily investments, and every single day it updates at about 7 a.m. And you can see here the thought process it did. It used all the sub-agents. It went on the internet, and you can see here that it could connect to Google Sheets, but I said I did not want Google Sheets. I just want a dashboard, do without Google Sheets, but you can connect through a lot of different integrations here. I'll show you guys different integrations you can use. It's possible to connect your social media, Slack, Google, Microsoft, a bunch of different tools that you can connect. Tell PokeeClaw to use it and just update it every day, or just do specific tasks of your account. But I did it without Google Sheets, and if this one, I just told it to pretty much every day find the latest investing news and update the dashboard for us. And it created an investment tracker. And pretty much here, it's the investment economy news tracker that every single day, the PokeeClaw will run automatically every single day. So every day we just log in and we can check that what it updated, creates a dashboard for us. You can see here today, see, it found the latest news about everything. And it has sources on everything too. So it's very in-depth because it finds the research and it researches, and it gives us a key takeaway. An impact on the economy, whether it's bearish, good news, bad news. Yeah, this is just another use case of PokeeClaw. You can see here as it's working, you can see if it's completed. When it's complete, it'll show green. In actions, you can clear the contacts memory. You can clear the actual memory. You can restart PokeeClaw if you want. You can see here, these were just 2 different use cases I did with PokeeClaw. And if you want to open more sessions, you just click this plus icon. There's so many different ways that you can play around with this. You can do email communication. You can send scheduled emails via Gmail or Outlook. You can do calendar scheduling. You can do project management, data, documents, social media, marketing. You can post specifically to LinkedIn, Twitter, Facebook, Reddit, Instagram, all those different platforms. And you can just have it do automatically every single day. With so many different integrations, there's so many different things that we can do with it. Try more use cases. So you can really tell this AI assistant to do anything, and it'll research, plan, and execute it for you. Let's say, so we give it something like that. We can say create as farming and write me an essay in document. We give it something vague like that. There's so many different use cases and so many different ways we can do. So this is just another use case. We want us to document about farming in 2026. So you can use this in business. You can use this in research. You can use this in so many different use cases. Let's see what it comes up with. Okay, so I wrote the essay. So we created a PDF and then it created an essay. Let's see the PDF. Okay. So here's a PDF it created. It did the research on farming. Nice. And then it wrote, let's see the essay. Comprehensive essay. Pretty nice. 1,500 word essay. So it did research on the latest stuff about farming and authenticate Pokey with a lot of different integrations that it supports. And you can do different things with your different accounts, and inside of PokeeClaw you just type your command in PokeeClaw and it will do it for you. Okay, let's open a new session. Okay, so I opened a new session. I typed in this prompt, go to Amazon, find the 3 best rated office chairs under $300, compare them based on warranty, length, assembly, and material and assembly difficulty, and then we'll just paste it and we'll see what it does. So you can really ask it to do anything. So anything that you would really do on the computer yourself, you could just type it into PokeeClaw and then have PokeeClaw do it. So it's going to go to the actual Amazon website and then search for office chairs for under $300 and then kind of compare it based off the specifications that we just typed in. Okay, there we go. So it looks like it's done. And you can see here the result it did. It found the 3 best office chairs for under $300 and it pretty much just compared it all. And these are just like live listings, live chairs off the website, and it's pretty good, right? It's pretty in depth. It compared it and contrasted everything and even told us the best one is. So I showed you a few different things that you could do, and let's create a website. In this prompt, create a modern, visually stunning landing page for a dental practice, and then I put in a bunch of specifications. So I pasted it into PokeeClaw, and I'm gonna see what PokeeClaw can do. So this is just one single prompt. So we can see here online, it's creating its own directory here. And then it has NPM and it's installing it and running it there. All of the files here is pretty much, if you think about it, it's just like kind of like our computer right here. Whenever a PokeeClaw, we open new sessions and it's doing stuff, it literally just codes it and organizes the sub-agents to do the task and puts it in a folder here. It's pretty much all the files. You can see from all the different things we did so far. The nice thing about PokeeClaw is it's pretty much just you can type in one single prompt and get like complete results, because you type in one prompt and whatever you need to do, it'll organize it and plan it, and then from the plan it'll execute it with like the needed sub-agents that it needs. And there's a lot of different integrations you can use too. It's pretty nice because there's a fully complete website that's done. Okay, so everything's done building. I'm gonna run it. Okay, so I ran it locally and here's the result from one single prompt. Pretty good. Everything visually looks good. It's working. And yeah, this is pretty much just one single prompt to the PokeeClaw AI, and then it creates the entire website for us. And all we have to do is just download it and run it, and it works. And you can just go back and add additional prompts. You can tell it to fix it, update it, however you want. And that's it for the video. So in this video, I showed you how I replace tools like OpenClaw with something more practical, PokeeClaw. It feels like one of the first AI agents that you can actually build real workflows and run in the background and do for you, not just chat. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave a like, subscribe, and turn post notifications on. I'll see you guys again in the next video. Peace out.